Love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.